Hey there! There are ways to highlight certain parts of your text to be better evaluated by search engines and to get better ranking positions. Headings are like titles and subtitles that help you structure your content, make it more readable for search engines and visitors, and put more emphasis on the important keywords, making them easier to find. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and choose the subpage for your selected keyword by clicking on the title. Highlight or add your first heading and set this as H1 using the toolbar menu. The H1 should appear first and only once in the text. Now add or highlight your other headings. Format these as H2 or H3 from the toolbar menu. If you need to add a heading, you can click on the icon and select Heading from the pop-up menu. You can use H2 and H3 more than once in the text. The headings should meaningfully structure your text and contain your selected keyword. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in a heading once. When you've finished, click on Update. Congrats! You've successfully completed this task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.